Hello viewer. Thank you for watching my alright viewer. Thank you for watching this video. I welcome you to a live stream where I will show you how to make $8 per Asian beauty online dating offer using free traffic source. Now if you look at it, what I want you to do, the first thing you're going to do here to start making $8 per Asian beauty online dating offer lead using the free traffic source. You may ask, how? What am I going to do to make money? Very simple. So my name is Monday Boy. First, I want to thank you for watching my video on how to make this $8 per lead with this Asian beauty online dating offer using the free traffic source I will show you. Right now, without wasting time, I want you simply follow the steps below. Step 1. You need to choose an offer. You need to get an account first. That's the most important thing. Now, this offer allows the following countries. It is targeting traffic from Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, United States, Denmark, Finland, Norway, Sweden, and what? Switzerland. These are tier 1 countries, right? Now, if you are not living in any of these countries listed above, what do? Simply do the following. Download the Winscribe VPN. Download VPN from this link, winscribe.com, and install it. After downloading it, you should have something of this nature when you open it. Okay? What do? You connect to United States. From here, you drop down menu. You can see the list of other countries that you can do what? You can connect to. Okay? So, once you connect it, then you register an account through this link. Just copy this link, open an account. Alright, that's step 1, and confirm your account. Step 1 of what you are going to do. Now, the moment you open your account, it will take you to this, okay, where you can chat with members, and many other. You see a lot of beautiful babes. You can see them there. Alright, so you open an account, it will take you there. You confirm your account, then you come back to this step 2. The next thing we do is step 2. Go to clicksure.com. We move down to clicksure.com. When you get to clicksure.com, you register, you confirm your account, submit your verification details. Once you have done that, click on Marketplace. When you click on Marketplace, it will bring you to this page. Right here, what do? On the offer type, just click here, drop down menu. You can select CPL, CPA. We are working on CPL. Select CPL, click on search. When you search, it will bring down all the offers that are paying through CPL. CPL means cost per lead. It is the same thing as cost per acquisition lead on other networks. Okay. Now this lead is paying $18 per lead. This one is not paying anything. It does a sub campaign. This one is paying $350 per lead. This one is paying $35 per lead. So you scroll down, alright? That is it. Now the next thing you are going to do is to go through this, look for the offer we want to promote. Now, you search for the offer we are going to promote. Open your affiliate account and verify your identity. Now log into your clicksure account and click on the marketplace. Search for offer called what? Asian Beauty Online. It's a display offer. You get it? Asian Beauty Online. Search for it. And when you check it out, you will see it here, the offer here at number 11. Alright? Paying $8 per lead. Is that clear? That is step 4. Now, step 5, click on more info and it will open the full details. So from here, you click on this more info. It will now bring you to this page. Right here, you will see the full details of this offer. You can see the countries it is targeting. Alright, these are the countries that are allowed. It doesn't have sub offer. Campaign payout is still active. Okay, so that is it. Then you copy your affiliate link. This is the affiliate link. Just click on copy. That's it. The moment you click on it, it will copy. Then you click OK. So you go to maybe bit.d or any site like that. You just register with them too and shorten your link to form that. Okay. Now after you shorten your link, the next thing you have to do is so we'll cover this. You go to what? YouTube. That's where we're going to send super traffic. Now we come to YouTube here. What do you do next? You can click on your dashboard, go to video manager, then live stream. If you want to do live stream way, okay, if you want to stream live so that people can be watching you while you are doing it, just like we're doing now. Okay, you go live stream, then you scroll down to events. You set up your events. Now when you do that, you fill the basic details, how to make $8 for this. As you can see, you put all your details where people can click. Make sure the keyword you are targeting is make $8 per Asian PT dating online offer. That's what I'm targeting now. It is on this place, it is on this place too. Alright, so the moment I have it, that's the keyword. Then we do what? You set up everything. You click on advanced option, you set up your whole thing. Now you move on to set up the live stream. But if you are not using the live stream system, kindly click here, upload video. After you have recorded your video, everything, then you upload it. Okay, upload video and you are done. And when you upload it, your video is live. Then just copy your link and you start sharing the what? Your video. Alright, start sharing it. As people watch it, they register. You just be generating free lead. That's it. People who are interested, who like it, they register, they confirm their account, you earn $8. Very simple. Okay, so from there you can also do paid adverts. Okay, you can copy your video, take your video to Facebook, just publish it on a page and then send traffic to it using Facebook adverts. Through that, you'll start making what? Your money, $8 per lead. Alright, that is it. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching my video. Remain blessed. Don't forget to do what? Subscribe to my channel for updates and other what? Videos that I will be sending your way. I remain Monday Boy. Thank you for watching my video. So right now you can connect with me on Facebook. My Facebook is just mondayboy.facebook.com/mondayboy. Okay, that's my profile link. Alright, so if you encounter any challenge, you just ask me a question on my Facebook. Message me, I will attend to you. Alright, that is it. Any question you have, just ask me, I will put you through. Thank you for watching this video. Remain blessed. My name is Monday Boy.